Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create and add a watermark to a photo in Canva. Alright, so first things first, for example, if you want to put your watermark here on this image right here, for example, alright, what you can do is go to text and add a heading. Let's just put something there and let's make the font color white so it can be seen better. Alright, there you go. And if you want to change the fonts, that's up to you too. So let's try to do this one right here. All right, and let's enlarge in that one. All right, so to make this more like a watermark, just go ahead and click on the text. And you can see that there's an option here that says transparency. Just go ahead and scroll it down until you get your preferred transparency for this one. And what you can do is to also copy paste it to make it more like a watermark. Or if you have a logo, you can also do that too. For example, let's put a logo over here. And it's the same. Just click on the photo that you've uploaded and just scroll down the transparency like so. And there you go. It's up to you how to place it or put it wherever you like. But that's basically how you create and add a watermark to a photo in Canva.